Hello and welcome to a new lesson on Playbook Structure. Let's start with a quick refresher to get us going. Remember, Ansible relies on YAML, so its playbooks have that simple key value structure. Hosts and inventory files let us target specific machines or groups for configuration. Super useful for organizing our work. Now let's talk about task sequencing. Ansible runs your playbook's tasks in order, top to bottom. Use when to make certain tasks run only if a condition is met. Handlers, signaled by notify, help us chain actions together for more complex updates. Best practices here are key. Descriptive task names make your playbooks easy to understand. Aim for idempotency. That means you can run a playbook multiple times, but the result is always the same. And register lets you store the output of a task for use later on in your playbook. Let's move to handlers, triggers, and actions. Handlers are like special backup tasks within your playbook. They get notified by other tasks when there is a change. Picture this. We make a config update and a handler automatically restarts the related service. That's the power they give us. You will also use handlers for cleanup, sending out notifications, and even logging important events. Now to the variables. Variables add flexibility to our playbooks. Think of them as a placeholders for text, numbers, or even lists of items. We can define variables in inventory files for specific hosts in the playbook itself or even gather facts about the systems Ansible is managing. Using variables lets us adapt our playbooks for different scenarios without rewriting the whole thing each time. Let's put all that together. Let's look at a simple yet realistic example. Here we target a group of web servers. Notice if needed, we run tasks with root privileges using become true. The first task installs Apache. Next, we update the index file with a dynamic timestamp. Ansible gives us variables for that. The notify tells Ansible to then run our restart Apache handler. So, whenever the website content changes, our handler makes sure Apache is restarted to pick up those changes automatically. By seeing this example, we get to the end of this lesson. In our next lesson, we will work together to create our very first playbook. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.